Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. My video topic is birds that cannot fly. Ostrich. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world and is known for its inability to fly. However, it compensates with strong legs and can run at high speed. Emu found in Australia. Emus are the second largest bird after ostriches. They have small vestigial wings that are not capable of flight. Penguin. Penguins are a group of flightless birds that are highly adapted to life in the water. They use their wings as flippers to swim and dive in the ocean, but they cannot fly. Kiwi. Native to New Zealand, kiwis are small flightless birds with long beaks. They are primarily nocturnal and have adapted to terrestrial lifestyle. Cassowaries are large flightless birds found in Australia and New Guinea. They have powerful legs and are known for their aggression and the casque, a bony structure on their head. Rhea. Rheas are flightless birds native to South America. They are similar in appearance to ostrich and emus and can run at high speed. Kakapo. The kakapo is critically endangered parrot species from New Zealand. It is the heaviest parrot in the world and has strong legs but cannot fly. Takai. The takai is flightless bird endemic to New Zealand. It was once thought to be extinct but was rediscovered in 1948. Efforts are ongoing to protect and conserve this species. This was the story of birds that cannot fly. God bless you. Please subscribe my channel, English viewers channel YouTube, likes video and share videos. God bless you. Goodbye.